Hello everybody, my name is Ryan Ferguson. I am the EPDM product specialist with Carlisle Syntech. We're here today with Jim Gage, our TPO product specialist, and we're going to teach you how to perform an effective CAV-GRIP 3 demo. The setup of CAV-GRIP is extremely easy. To do so, you'll need your 40-pound cylinder, you'll need your hose. You could either use a set of open-end wrenches or one adjustable wrench, and of course you'll need your CAV-GRIP gun. So what Jim is going to do first is remove the protective cap covering the tank threads. He is then going to take the hose and attach it to the tank with a 9/16 wrench or an adjustable wrench. So what Jim is going to do next is take the other end of that hose and attach it to his spray gun using a 3/4 inch wrench or an adjustable wrench. So after both ends of the hoses have been attached, Jim is going to take a 3/8 wrench and he's going to tighten the packing nut, which is located in front of the trigger on the gun. After those steps have been completed, it is now time to pressurize the cylinder. Jim is going to loosen the valve as far as it goes. It is now time to take the gun itself, loosen the safety, and purge all the air that may be stuck within that hose. After the air has been purged from the hose, Jim is going to now tighten that safety back up, and this adhesive is ready to spray. The CAV-GRIP demo kit contains either an EPDM or TPO membrane along with the tank, the gun, and the hose. The membrane itself is a 10-foot by 25-foot piece, which allows you to do 2 small demos, or you could do 1 large demo depending on the size of your audience. When performing this demo, you're going to want to be sure to use an approved substrate. With CAV-GRIP and TPO or EPDM membranes, the list of accepted substrates are as follows: Paper-Face Polyiso, Sure-Shield, Sure-Shield HD, Sure-Shield HD+, Densdeck, Secure Rock, OSB, or plywood. So now we're going to get on to the demonstration. First thing you're going to want to do is get your membrane and set it in place, and then roll it across your substrate. So once the membrane has been rolled out, we're going to go ahead and grab one side and barn door that membrane in half. After you have folded your membrane in half, it's time to start spraying. Before you start, you want to protect your side lap with some scrap insulation. Jim is going to start spraying in a pattern from right to left, and he's going to keep the tip of that gun about 8 to 12 inches from the surface. Go ahead, Jim. As you can see here, Jim sprayed in a manner that allows you to achieve 100% coverage. To achieve that coverage rate, you want to allow a minimum 2 to 3 inch overlap with your spray pattern. Let's go ahead and finish spraying the membrane side. In addition to the person spraying, it's also a good idea to have someone handling the tank and moving it backwards as that person is spraying. After you spray the adhesive, you're going to want to wait about 3 to 5 minutes until that adhesive becomes tacky, but not overly dry. A good way to test that is through a tack test. Jim is going to go ahead here and feel the adhesive. That adhesive should not transfer to his fingers. The adhesive is not transferring, that means we're ready to put this sheet in. So after the adhesive is properly flashed off, we're ready to go ahead and mate the membrane to the substrate. Before we do that though, I do want to make note of this area here where we protected our lap by using scrap pieces of insulation. Immediately after adhering down this piece of membrane, you're going to want to get a stiff bristled broom and broom the sheet from the inside to the outside of the sheet. After you have installed this side of the sheet and broomed it, it's now time to go over to the other side and install that as well. So before starting on the other side, it's a great idea to ask for participation from the audience. Taking someone from the crowd and allowing them to spray the product is a great way to highlight how easy it is to use. So after you have broomed both sides of the membrane, it's then time to finish it off by getting a 150-pound weighted roller and moving parallel with that sheet. So that concludes our CAV-GRIP demo. Before the demo is over, be sure to hit on storage and maintenance, disposal, and best practices for cold weather installations, which are all outlined on our product literature. To order a new products demo kit, visit the Carlisle website.